Hi everyone, this is John Francis Sembrero from Rancho High School and I'm presenting to you my initial capstone paper for multicultural class titled Probability Games, a Reflection of Culture. To give you context, for the upcoming school year, I will be teaching 5 Reasons and Sense Making senior class. So it means my students are graduating and their age range is from 17 to 18 years old. Reasons and sense making is a great subject for them because in this class we are learning topics such as credit score, probability, and anything that they will be using in the workforce or in college. Rancho High School gender population is this: 49% is female and 51% is male. The ethnicity data of Rancho High School are the following. Majority of the students are Hispanic, amounting to 77.9%. Colored students are 8.98%, white students are 5.78%, Asians are 3.36%, and the rest from for representing the two or more races or the Native Americans are 3.99%. Rancho High School, in terms of socioeconomic status, are diverse as well, because we are a Title I school and at the same time a magnet school. Knowing this data, I have created my SMART goal. My SMART goal is to showcase students' culture by the end of the lesson. Students will accomplish this goal during the presentation and simulation of the culturally inspired probability games, in which other students will be playing it. Accomplishing this goal will result in a more fun classroom interaction and grasping concept of probability behind each game. The teacher will use a probability game rubric for observation. Thank you. I hope you have a glimpse of what I'm about to share in the final of this multicultural class. Thank you for listening.